Hi Arabic learners, hope you are doing well. When you are a beginner in learning a language, you need a bunch of phrases like how to get someone's attention, how to ask for help, how to ask, do you speak Arabic or English, and how to answer for this. Yalla, let's see them. So let's start with Afwan. Afwan, we saw it before in the thank you video when we answered for Shukran. You could check it over here. Afwan, here it gives the feeling of excuse me. When you want to get someone's attention, you could use the word Afwan. Afwan. In Afwan, we have the throat letter A. Pay attention to A. Before we start, I want to make a small grammar note. In the Levantine dialect, which is spoken in Syria, Jordan, Palestine, and Lebanon, we don't use question words to form the yes-no questions. Let's see how we will do it. How you could say, can you help me? You will use the phrase ممكن تساعدني. ممكن تساعدني. If you are talking to a man, ممكن تساعديني. ممكن تساعديني. If you are talking to a woman. تساعدني, it is you help me. Let's see how all these words is in one word in Arabic. Let's break it down. ساعد, it is help. By adding the prefix te, it is we add the subject you. And by adding the suffix ni, we are adding the object me. تساعدني. تساعدني. ممكن تساعدني when you are talking to a man.
ممكن بس تساعدني بالبيرة شوي الله يخليك. ممكن تساعدني بس بالسيجارة. ايه اتفضل.
Now let's see the feminine of تساعد. تساعد, we said it's masculine. تساعديني, by adding the suffix e to تساعد, it will become the feminine. تساعدي. تساعدي, you help, feminine. By adding the suffix ni, we will add the object me. تساعديني. ممكن تساعديني, can you help me, when you are talking to a woman. The answer will be A. ممكن. A, it is yes in the Levantine dialect. ممكن, it is possible. Altogether, A. ممكن, yes, it's possible, or yes, I can. So, when you are coming to someone and asking for help by asking ممكن تساعدني, they will be curious to know if you speak Arabic, and they will ask you, do you speak Arabic? How they will ask you? Let's see how. The question will be بتحكي عربي. بتحكي عربي. Do you speak Arabic? Okay. The good news here, بتحكي, it is the same for feminine and masculine. In the Levantine dialect, when a verb ends with e, so we use it the same for feminine and masculine. So there's no need for gender. Let's see a grammar note. If you noticed, when we said تساعد, we used only t at the prefix t to form you in the present tense. But in بتحكي, we use بكت. Why we did this? Because in the spoken language, we add b at the beginning of the verb to form the present simple, and when we are talking about facts. And there's more details about this. We will talk about them in the grammar lessons. So, our phrase بتحكي عربي. Arabi, it is Arabic in Arabic. So, when someone will ask you تحكي عربي, do you speak Arabic? If you already know how to speak Arabic, so you know how to answer, it's your business. But if you don't speak Arabic, you will answer لا. لا. لا, it means no in the Levantine dialect. You could say لا, we have the throat thing at the end, or you just simply say لا. 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 Now you know how to say no in Arabic. What if you speak a little bit of Arabic? How you will say it in Arabic? You will say بحكي شوي. بحكي شوي. بحكي, it is the present tense I speak. By adding the prefix be, it stands for I. بحكي عربي شوي. بحكي عربي شوي. شوي, it is a little bit. And you could use this sign to show that it's a little bit. شوي. When you are new at learning a language, you need some time to recognize the words and understanding them. Here, the phrase, can you speak slowly, will be so useful. Let's see how to say it in Arabic. To say, can you speak slowly in Arabic, you will say, ممكن تحكي شوي شوي. ممكن تحكي شوي شوي. Let's break it down. ممكن, we see it before. Is it possible? ممكن. تحكي, we see it also before. You speak. ممكن تحكي. Is it possible to speak? شوي. شوي. We saw شوي before when we said it is a little bit. But when we have two شوي in Arabic, it means slowly. شوي شوي. ممكن تحكي شوي شوي. What if you don't speak Arabic and you want to ask someone to help you when you are in an Arabic country or you have Arabic speakers around you? You will need to ask them if they speak English. And you will say, بتحكي إنجليزي. بتحكي إنجليزي. بتحكي, you speak. No, you know it. إنجليزي, it is English in the Arabic language. بتحكي إنجليزي. So when you ask someone, do you speak English? تحكي إنجليزي. There's two possible answers, or yes or no. Yes, it will be A. A. بحكي. A. بحكي. Yes, I speak. If they don't speak, they will say لا. No. And by the way, Arabs, they use this sign by the head up to say no. It's not like this, like English speakers. So pay attention to the signs more than the words. Now, let's go over our phrases for today. عفواً, excuse me. ممكن تساعدني. Can you help me? For a man. ممكن تساعديني. Can you help me? For a woman. A. ممكن. Yes, it's possible. تحكي عربي. Do you speak Arabic? لا. No. بحكي شوي. I speak a little bit. ممكن تحكي شوي شوي. Can you speak slowly? لا. No. A. Yes. Hope you enjoyed the video for today. More survival phrases are coming in next video, so wait for it. If you liked today's video, give me thumb up, share it with your friend that they want to learn Arabic, leave me a comment about anything you want to learn in Arabic. I'm waiting for your comments. Follow me in Facebook and Instagram. See you soon. Oh, and by the way, subscribe so you see more videos about learning Arabic. Thank you for joining me today. Yalla bye.